In this lecture, we'll explore how to add borders around an element. We'll start by creating a class with commonly used border style declarations. We'll call this class myBorder. The first declaration, border, is used to specify where the border will be applied and at what thickness. The thickness is stated in pixels. At the moment, we have a 4-pixel thick border. For a border only at the top of an element, we would use the border top declaration. Border bottom, border right, and border left are also other values that can be used. If we leave it as just border, as we have now, the border will be applied to all 4 sides. Next, we have the border color. This will be the color of the border itself. The color value can be represented by a color name, such as red, green, or blue, a hexadecimal number, as we currently have, or an RGB value. We can also create a border style using the border style declaration. There are several possible styles. At the moment, we've used dashed, which will create a dashed line border effect. Let's go ahead and apply this class to one of our paragraphs. We'll apply it to the first paragraph. So make a space after your first class and paste the second, myBorder. Now we'll save our file and preview it in our browser. So here we can see we have the dashed border, which has been applied to the first paragraph.